This is the moment you've been waiting for. That moment when you share the link to your YouTube channel and the person you shared it with gets this gorgeous looking pop-up that's just sweeter than grandma's apple pie that says, "Are you sure you want to subscribe to," and put your channel name in there. Mine says subscribe to Travel with Lady, and they say, "Yes, I am sure." They click that subscribe button and they click that button and it's just wonderful, right? So I'm going to show you how to get that coveted subscribe button, where when I was doing research, people said you had to have at least 100 subscribers for this feature to work, but I'm going to show you how you can get it even if you have 0 subscribers. Yes, we're going to do this. And it doesn't even take that much effort. It doesn't take that much work. What you want to do is you want to go to your channel. So whatever your channel is, get to your homepage and it should say something that shows YouTube/channel/ a bunch of weird letters. This is my channel here. All you have to do is add $sub_confirmation=1, and that's how you get that gorgeous link. I will leave this text in the description box below. Make sure to like and subscribe because I want to make sure you have the quickest way to get different features for your channel and social media. Where would you even use this link? I would put it in your email, so when you link to your YouTube channel from your newsletter, definitely put it there. Here's my blog. In this little YouTube button here, I have that link. So if someone clicks that link and they get taken to my YouTube page or my YouTube channel, they'll get a button or a little pop-up that says confirm channel subscription. It's big, it's blue. I click subscribe and there you go. So that's how you want to use your subscribe button. I'm sharing tips with you so that as I build my business and my blog, you will learn along with me. So if you like this, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to test out that link, I'll leave a couple of them down below so you can see how they work for yourself. And just remember, add the text I have in the bottom to the end of your channel link and you're golden and good to go. So definitely share your subscribe link everywhere.